Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can speed up TikTok video. So first you're gonna click on the plus sign to be able to post a video on TikTok. Then you're just gonna choose the video you would like to use from your gallery and you're just gonna go to this edit icon. So this editing icon is gonna bring you to the video where you can do anything to the video, and you just need to click on edit again, and here you will be able to see speed. Here you can obviously just choose the speed of your video. You can also use curves, which are presets for speed. So like this curve here in the middle, for example, is gonna be normal speed, then slower, and then normal speed again. Okay, so these can be pretty cool effects to use. Alright, so all in all, this is how to speed up TikTok video. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.